song that just so happened to be on when I came in here, which I don't know if you love it, but I love it, and I think it's kind of appropriate because it's called Rise Above This, and that's kind of what I have to say a lot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have to say that. You know, all the drama in your life, all of the like freaks and people, take the high road and just rise above it. And whatever this song, like when my email's not working, when this song comes on and I'm on the stair mill or whatever, it really just gets me in such a good mood because it's like no matter what happens, that's what you got to do. You have to just try to rise above it and take the high road and just smile and sometimes be a little sassy when it's appropriate. Which is usually most of the time, but seriously, I was just talking to a friend of mine about more drama, and I just remember like a couple weeks ago, you guys, I was vlogging, and I'm like, who are these like grown adults that act like they're 12? You know, and just people that's like, they're born to argue, they're born to judge other people, they're born to just be bitter and angry and hateful and, you know, kind of try to steal your dreams, steal your thunder. Get over it. Just, you know, have at it, people. Go drink the Gatorade, but drink it somewhere else. Or the Haterade, sorry, as Gary Vee would say. Here I am, shaking up my pre-workout drink, my Super Pump. You guys had asked me, I've got so many emails from you. I guess I should post this again. This is the stuff that we're drinking before training, Super Pump 250. Google it, you'll see that video I posted from that chick. I'm loving it. And I'm making sure I'm putting enough water in here because it's very, very tangy. And also, this is the post-workout stuff that I love. You guys, it tastes so good. And I know I haven't tasted the other stuff, but get this stuff. And when you order, remember, order from bestpricenutrition.com. They're my peeps. I keep saying this, but I'm just telling you, I'm not making any money off this. Ask them to give you one of these shakers. It's called the Bigger Picture from Optimum Nutrition. Ask them to throw one of these in. This shaker shake, look, it's really cool because see the inside? It's got like a strainer thing, and I don't know why it's different, but it's just, you don't have to use a straw like my other one, the Starbucks one. I would shake, sorry. I would shake it, and then I'd have to go in and take the cover off and use a straw. This one, it's like you just open it. It's very easy to clean. So I have to tell you guys, this rocks. If you place your order, and it's over $50 from bestpricenutrition.com, put Kelly in, K-E-L-Y, for the coupon code, and you'll get an additional 5% off. And a couple of you guys have written me already saying that you ordered and that, you know, indeed you did have you know, some questions or whatever, and you called and they were very helpful and you've had good customer experience. So pass it on, you guys. I just think there's so many places you can buy supplements online and protein powder and everything, but these guys, like I said, the prices are the best. Plus you get my discount, the service is the best, the selection is great. I mean, let's give these guys props, they're awesome. So that's that. I have to tell you guys, I mean seriously, 1 week down and I am so psyched. I can't, seriously, like I cannot tell you. I was just talking to my friend before I came in here. I mean, I'm almost impervious to temptation. I have no desire to eat anything bad. I went for a movie last night, and I wasn't even thinking, oh, I really want to have that soft pretzel with cheese, because you know what? I'm so focused on my goals, and after 1 week of really like changing my habits, getting up at 6 in the morning, going to the gym, crushing it, and then going back and doing my weight training and following this plan exactly, I feel better. I can see results in the mirror. Not like, oh, bam, I lost 10 pounds or anything like that. I can see it, and it's change enough that it's appropriate for a week, but it's enough that it's also like, heck, I can only imagine what I'm going to be like at the end of this month. I can only imagine what I'll be like at the end of 12 weeks, and you guys are going to see it all play out for you on video. I mean, seriously. So all I'm going to tell you is you get started. Do it! I don't care. It's Monday. If you didn't work out this morning, you do it. You do it tonight. You eat your stuff, you drink your water, you order your supplements, do it now. You guys won't regret it. It's the best. I'm on fire. I'm like walking around going, you can't mess with this. That's right, bring it. I will mess you up. If you try to give me some excuse and says I can't do it, I didn't do it this morning, day's not over yet, people, come on. And I am going to tell you another thing. You need to go see that movie Push. Ladies, did you enjoy Monday Manjoyment today? I did, and I enjoyed it last night before I posted it, if you know what I mean. So there's that. I have to go. I have a busy day. I have a list this long of stuff I have to do today when I get back. That's pretty much the way it is all the time, but you know what? I'm thankful for it. The hat is never really on. I'm thankful because I love what I do. I want to be busy. I'm thankful that in this economy and this craziness after what happened with my company, I get to do what I love and hustle and chase it and be all over the place and enjoy every day and spread the love. So that's it. Did you guys also see that I had my niece over Saturdays? Isn't she cute? I get her a Barbie and she's like, she's beautiful. And I said, no, you're beautiful. And she's like, no, I'm not beautiful. I'm Jordan. So cute. So that's it. Last, let's give you a little preview. You guys, seriously, I want you to share with me good iPod workout music because I'm so tired of the stuff I have on my iPod. And when I found this on YouTube, I don't even know how I found it. I must have been looking for something that had the word bounce in it. But I am so loving this Brooklyn Bounce group. All of this really killer techno music for, you know, on the treadmill. And good daydreaming music, if you know what I mean, when you're on the treadmill. Thinking about maybe the person that's featured on Monday Enjoyment. Or somebody else that I have a major crush on Twitter, which I'm not going to say. Maybe you know who you are. I'm not quite sure. Listen. So what are you going to do today? Are you going to get out and make it happen? Are you going to nail it? Are you going to crush it? Are you going to be a little baby and say, oh, I didn't work out this morning. I'm going to go home. I'm going to cry in my pillow and watch Dateline. And send me some music. If you know what I like this, and I also like this. And I also like this. And I also like anything Nickelback. I need you to hurry up now. I also like this a lot. Okay, you guys, I have to go. Make sure you have a kick butt day and do not wear nude pantyhose to the gym. It's not right. Okay? No nude pantyhose at the gym. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.